Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. I am your host Carter, and in today's video we are going to be talking about Tesla. Now Tesla did announce their earnings today, and we're going to be kind of talking about it. Should you buy it or should you stay away from it? Now, for those of you that don't know what Tesla is the electric car manufacturer that's been growing at a very, very fast rate on the stock side and on the fundamentals and all of that other stuff. Now today Tesla did announce their earnings. You guys can see anytime you have this little question mark here, that's their earnings. So you guys can see they did announce it, and they absolutely blew it out of the water, right? They were expected to bring in around 11.3 billion in total revenue, but they actually brought in almost $12 billion in total revenue. And this is absolutely fantastic. And I always love companies that increase their profit margin. The reason why is because you want to make sure that the company is finding ways to bring in more cash with the same product. It's very, very important. And Tesla did increase their profit margin 28%, which is fantastic just because their profit margin over the last 4 quarters was very low, anywhere from 3 to 5%. So what that means is for every $100 Tesla brought in, they only profited anywhere from $3 to $5, which is very low, but honestly it's about average for an electric car or even a car manufacturer in general. But if you compare it to tech companies, and a lot of people really compare Tesla to tech because they're really focused in, electric vehicles. They're focused in autonomous driving. They have solar roofing and a variety of other products that are really tech focused. So that is pretty much how Tesla is increasing their profit margin. They have a lower profit margin on the car side, but on the tech side, they can really make a lot more money on that side. So one thing that I think is super interesting is they actually delivered around over 200,000, actually about 201,000 vehicles, and they had a total production of around 206,000 vehicles in the quarter ending of June 30th of 2021. Also, they brought in around $801 million in total revenue from its energy company. Not First Solar, but it's Tesla Solar, I believe, but they still brought in $801 million in total revenue. So that is just another huge milestone for that company that's piggybacking off Tesla. So Tesla is really nailing it with deliveries, nailing it with profitability, nailing it with revenues, nailing it with sales. And with the stock being only up around 2.2%, I think that we'll probably get some sort of squeeze within the next couple of months. I think we'll probably get a breakout here of the high here in the next month or two, and then we'll get a slow breakout of the 771. And my goal is by next year of this time that we're over the highs here at 900. I know a lot of people think that is a huge and pretty much a very bullish thing to call out, but I think that we can hit it. I think Tesla, just the overall rate of return that we've seen, I think we'll probably get a lot more buying pressure enter this stock. Now, there is obviously some things that you need to be cautious of as a beginner investor with Tesla is the volatility. Tesla is known to have some volatile days. If you look at the past 3-year chart, you guys can see that this thing has really skyrocketed up and goes up and down at pretty decent rapid rates. So you have to have that growth mindset where you don't care about the volatility. You have to pretty much do dollar cost averaging so you can get a good average price and really look at it within the next 3 to 5 years. That's kind of my outlook for Tesla. And with this earnings that we've seen, I think that this is only going to get stronger and stronger and stronger. The demand is there for Tesla and Tesla products, and I think that this is really going to piggyback for the next couple of years. So for me, this is an absolute buy of a deal. If you were going to swing trade this thing, I would set your stops pretty much below, the 200 and pretty much 220 mark. So you can risk like $30 to possibly make maybe 40 or 50. So it's a decent risk and reward, but where you're going to get a lot more value is dollar cost averaging for the next 5 years. That's where I'm going to be nailing this. This is a huge buy, and I am super excited to see what happens with it. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and overall, I hope you guys got something of value. We will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, stay safe out there. Take care.